bright and early. 6:05. Running over to the barn, hitching up the trailer, and then off to the swap meet. And more blasting later today. This is a rough one. Feeling very sore today, but see what happens.
all original. I want to keep, just do the frame and fork, and then that part of the guard. And then I got the other bike, that one's frame, fork, and guard. That's not my Oh, yeah.
Yeah, give me a call. Well, that happened. So I just got back. Been messing around with editing the Walneck swap video, and I missed it. This happened in the course of Walneck swap plus traveling. So sneak peek for the next video. Next video I will look like this. If you watch it all the way through, you know. If not, you'll be surprised on the next one. That's fine too, but Volvo's back. We did okay. I'm trying to remember because this is a week ago now, but we did okay at Walneck's. Not great. We sold a handful of shirts. We did mediocre. Honestly, the rainy, crappy one was a much more productive day. This is my face. This is so weird to look at. But that was it for that. Got through blasting, got through Walneck's. Still have more to blast on the trailer. Jesse's been grinding, cutting, welding, so I've been him and I are tag teaming. Cut out a section, expose rusty bare metal underneath, then I go back over there and re-blast. But we're back from New Orleans, just kind of flip-flopping cars. The wagon is done. My buddies over at Lucky Knuckles killed it on Dottie's car. It was perfect. We had no issues on 2,400 mile trip, so that'll be in the next video. I'll go over that little bit. And the diesel compressor and Volvo is back, so this is kind of the winter fleet. But I need an outro for the last video, so enjoyed the footage of Walneck's. Didn't go too in detail. Nothing major, nothing big, no stupid purchases, no major sales or anything like that. But I think we kind of have some sticks in the fire on what to do with Frankenstein. I got somebody that might be interested. Might be a trade that I'm actually really looking forward to. So I'll keep you posted on that in upcoming videos, but thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all those other fun things. Next video, new face, new me, new stuff to do. Well, same old stuff to do. Just a different version. We'll catch you on the next one.